going to talk about the Multitool. It's always last minute things to check before the race. So let's take a look at it. It's always useful.
Unior's Multitool are made in Europe to the highest standards and with the best materials. For highest tolerance and greater durability, the tips of the tool are black oxide coated and the spindles are chrome plated. Overall, the EURO13 Multitool only weighs 149 grams.
Showing what it holds.
The EURO13 Multitool contains a PH1 screwdriver, a 10 and a 25 Torx wrenches. It features a 2, 2.5, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8 mm X wrenches. It includes a shredder and presser valve tool. That same tool is used as a handle for the chain tool. To use the chain tool after installing the handle, reverse the spindle, install the tool on the chain link and thread in the spindle to push the chain link.
Okay, so as you can see, it's always good to have everything in your pocket or your backpack to check if everything is okay or if anything happens on the track. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time again.